Welcome back to Anante Cantabile channel, and if you are a new Thai subscribers, you may wonder why I speak in English like now. That's because anytime that I got the parcels or package or products or anything from international brand like this parcels from Rosei Studios, and thank you very much for Laura and Lisa Reese to give me this wonderful gift. Okay, every time when I got a parcel from international brand, I will use English. Ooh, can you see that? I'm not sure it's bees or something like that. Okay, if there's something happened to me, please tell my mom that I love her. Okay. Alright, back to the story. Anytime that I got a package from the international brand, I will use English so that they can understand me that how excited I feel with their products. As I mentioned before, this is a new collection from Rosei Studio, and actually I have already made a haul, 2 clips, and I put it over here. This new collection, they call it a Wildflower collection, and that's the reason why I changed the place to this nature's scenery. At first, when I read the memo that the name of the collection is Wildflower, I thought of something like flowering, blooming, blossom in pastel color. However, when I unpack it, I see this. It is kind of French style and Bohemian styles with stripes, and the color is really surprised me. It's black and white, blue and red, something very French. And there are also some other colors that actually you can find it in a spring 2018 Pantone. I put a link around here somewhere. If I can capture the website, yeah, that will be. Okay, so let's see that what we can see in this Wildflower collection. Right now, let's see the first 2 things from this collection. We have 2 design papers, okay, 2 sizes of it. This one, the bigger one, can you see the size? It is 12 times 12 inches, and the papers is 180 grams. Okay, 42 sheets with 14 designs, 4 pages. 4 again. Yes, I love you. And let's see what the smaller one say. It is a design paper once again, 6 times 6 inches. They don't talk about the grams. I would guess that it will be slightly thinner than this. And the sheets, the number of sheets is 40. That one is, the bigger one is 42. And 20 designs. The bigger one is 14 designs. So this one will have more. And 6 foil pages. Wow. So let's see what the bigger one look like. Oh, this kind of unexpected because it's eyeglasses. I never had a designed paper or the craft paper in eyeglasses pattern before, and it's a foil in polka dot. Ooh, denim. It's a denim. It's a denim pattern. See, with something like a lace. Wow. This one's super cool. Okay, it's going back to the first pattern. So here is it. Let's see the smaller package. Alright, so let's see what's next. Before we start to this little package, let's see this one. This is a Rosei Studio Wildflower keepsake album. There are 5 envelope pages with 6 black page and 86 free. So let's see. Oh, here is a back at the back, the black pages, and there is also an epilogue. Hey, I think that is surely interesting. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, with black and white stripes and the foiled painting memories. amazing, so cute. Okay, they say stash your memories inside the 5 pocket pages. Yeah. So knick-knack things for your from your memories. And then let's see, this two little thing is a die cut thingy. Start with this. Once again, for the die cut things, I prefer not to show you one by one because it would take a lot of time. Okay, over here they're saying there's a die cut shape. Oh, 114 pieces. Whoa, that's quite a lot. And this one, I'm so excited. They call it acetate die cut shape. What is acetate? I feel like it's a name of some chemicals with silica. I'm not sure. By the way, I'm not pretty sure that how can you use this for the crafting thingy. I will show you because I think that I've never seen this one before. There are 24 pieces, and here is a please remove protective film before uses. Okay, here is all the design that you can see. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's clear and the plastic is thicker than a normal clear sticker. As right now my garden there's no flower at all. I think I used this die cut to decorate my garden in the photos. Let's see. Something like that in your photo, just holding that. Next one, let's see this clear stamper set. This two clear stamper set. This one is only clear stampers, and another one they're coming with a die cut tools. So let's see the first one. Alright, and they show you some idea. Hey, okay, so you can stack this to be like this and put a words on it. Whoa, this is cool. It's really cool. Whoa. See, the another one is kind of coming a set, so you can have a die cut thing with a stampers, the wildflowers. Okay, and then you can use this die cut shape template to make it, and they're saying that here this template is compatible with most die cutting machines. Actually, I don't have a die cut machine. I'm planning to have one, but the cost is quite high. So I searched internet looking for the way to use this cutting template if I don't have a cutting machine, and they're saying that I can use a rolling pin. So put this one, what they say, put this template on the table with any material I want to cut it on top, and I think that just only that I use a roller pin, and they said that only one time is enough. I'm not sure. If I haven't tried it, I will show you that what the result is, and maybe if I have to buy a new die cutting machine that is good. I'm looking for a reasonable reasons to buy a die cutting machine. Let's see what next. Here is the die cutting things. Once again is a ticket. Oh, ticket come in May. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, it looks so cute and positive word, and it's a ticket, like, okay, it's ticket for you for happy day, and put it in the album and all the colors. So great. Then let's see, here is label tag. here a journal cards, double-sided journal cards. There are 40 cards and 2 sizes, and here is all the design. There are 2 sizes, like a package size and a postcard size, a pocket size and postcard size. I'm thinking of Bath and Body Work. Every time I pronounce the word flower, I kind of confused because in Thailand we pronounce flower. And then when I went to New Zealand, I learned from my host family that they call flower, and it's the same as flower that you make a braid. And yeah, that's the reason why it kind of slightly confused when my host mom said that, "Mom, can you please bring flower?" And I'm not sure whether she want a flower from the garden to decorate the dining table or she want a flower to make a braid. On this floor is the last 4 thingies I got from Rosei Studio. So let's see. The first one is wooden pegs. The painting is super smooth. Oh my goodness, I will show you some. Now I'm in the garden and over here my cat tried to call an attention. Hi. She just jumped very high. Maybe she wants to be in the video. Hi there. Wait there. I will go back and get you something. If you can hear something like bam, bam, boom, 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 something like that, that's what comes from my cat. Okay, back to our pegs. Or cloth. Can I call it clothespins? Yeah. Alright. So the painting is very smooth and it's very clear pattern for both sides. Here. Yeah, it's quite strong. Whoa, strong. I need to use a force to get it out. I think that I got an idea what to decorate my desk. And here is a button, 12 pieces. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! What happened? Go back, go back, go back. I love you. Go back. Stay with me, stay with me. I'll fix this later. So there is an adhesive tape at the back here. And you can put it in the collage, in album, in journal, decorate the cover of your planner, and also even the telephone case. But I think that maybe you need a glue to make sure that it will be strong enough. Okay, and here is a ribbon set and 4 meters long each, I think. And the last things from Wildflower collection from Rosei Studio, that is paper flowers. There are 11 pieces. Okay. And that is all about the Rosei Studio Wildflower collection that is in the coming French BOHO style. If you like this collection, don't forget to check out your craftings to shop around your town. For Thai subscribers, we have a Rosei Studio products in B-Trend, Paragon, Loft, and also Mr. DIY, and you can get a very good price from there. If you cannot find it, you can check it out in the Rosei Studio fan page and also the IG. I will give the link down below. So, if you have Twitter, don't forget to follow me at Study Ideas. If you have a Facebook, don't forget to click like to my new Facebook fan page, that is Adante Cantibile NW. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe and click the bell down below so you can get every update news. Bye for now. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you Bright Ideas, thank you Laura's and Lisa Reese for this wonderful gift, and see you next time. Bye!